We've seen them in movies and hoped to have them by now when we were kids, but flying cars are finally becoming a reality, slowly but surely. XPENG X2 is the latest generation of flying cars, and although it does look very drone-like, it is smooth. It was unveiled at a public exhibition in Shanghai, China in July 2021, and by October 2022, it completed its international flight debut in Dubai. In January 2023, the X2 became the first manned electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicle in China to receive a special flight permit from the Civil Aviation Administration of China. HD Aero, a subdivision of XPENG Motors, shared their plans to build a plant in Guangzhou for mass production, with trial plants also being in several other towns. The vehicle is expected to cost between $126,000 and $236,000. The multicopter only has a range of 35 minutes and a top speed of 130 kilometers per hour, so only short trips are possible. This two-seater is more suited for low-altitude and short-distance city flights like sightseeing and medical transportation. It has two driving modes, manual and autonomous, which the company says, during the autonomous flight, passengers can enjoy a safe and intelligent flight experience with simple start, return and landing operations at the touch of a button. It can monitor the ground using multiple sensors and has autonomous flight path planning. It's also able to stay lightweight with a complete carbon fiber structure and does not produce any carbon dioxide emissions during flight. And just in case something goes wrong, it's equipped with emergency ballistic parachutes. I still wouldn't want to be caught in high winds or a surprise storm while flying this thing though. What do you think about the X2? Do you think electric flying cars are the future of transportation, or is this just an expensive toy? Let me know in the comment section below, and to stay up to date with future content, hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you all for watching, and until next time, save that money.